Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Coming to this video, in this video I am going to provide you the solutions regarding assignment 11 of problem solving through programming in C assignment course. So friends, please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if I make any changes you will be able to note those changes if you only watch the video till the end. So please do watch the video till the end. Friends, these are 100% correct answers and I believe that there is 100% accuracy. So coming to the first question, interpolation is a process for. So what is interpolation? Interpolation is a process for finding a value between 2 points on a line or a curve. So option B is correct answer for first question. And coming to second one, given two data points a comma f of a, b comma f of b, the linear Lagrange polynomial f of x that passes through these 2 points are given as. So the answer for second question is option D, f of x equal to x minus b by a minus b into f of a plus x minus a by b minus a into f of b. So mark option D as correct answer for second one, that is second question, that is option D, fourth option. Coming to third question, they have given a table, they are mapping x for every f of x. A Lagrange polynomial passes, if you read the question, a Lagrange polynomial passes through 3 data points as given below. At x equal to 5, f of x equal to 15.35. At x equal to 10, f of x equal to 9.63. And at x equal to 15, f of x equal to 3.74. And they have given a formula. So for that formula, they are asking f of x, the value of f of x at x equal to 7. So when x equal to 7, the value of f of x is 13.08, that is option B. So mark option B as correct answer for third question. And coming to fourth one, the fourth question, the value of integral 0 to 1.5 x into e power 2x into dx by using one segment trapezoidal rule. What it is? One segment trapezoidal rule is up to 4 decimal places we have to represent. So the answer, I'm going to zoom this for you. So the answer for this fourth question is 22, that is 22.5962. So I will show you once again. If you see this, 22.5962. So this is the answer for fourth question. So friends, coming to fifth question, accuracy of the trapezoidal rule increases when? So accuracy increases when number of segments are increased. So mark option C as correct answer for fifth question. So answer is option C, number of segments are increased. Coming to sixth question, solve the ordinary differential equation below using Rangakutta fourth order method. Step size, where step size equal to h equal to 0.2. The equation is 5 dy by dx plus xy cube equal to cos x, where y of 0 equal to 3. They are asking the value of y of 0.2 up to 2 decimal points. So friends, the answer is option B, 2.93. So the answer is option B, 2.93. So mark option B as correct answer for 6th question. And coming to 7th one, friends, all these questions are 100% correct. So keep belief in me and let's keep proceed. 7th question, using bisection method, negative root of x cube minus 4x plus 9 equal to 0. Correct to 3 decimal places is. We have to mention 3 decimals after the point. So the answer for 7th question is option B, that is minus 2.706. Mark option B as correct answer for 7th question. And coming to 8th one, last but second question, match the following. Option A, Newton method. B, Lagrange polynomial. Option C, trapezoidal method. Option D, Runge-Kutta method. And here in this column, integration option 1, option 2 root finding, option 3 differential equation, and option 4 interpolation. So if you see this, Newton method is used for finding the root. So 1 option A, 2, but there are 2 options. We can check by using option B, then we will differentiate this. Option B, Lagrange polynomial. Lagrange polynomial, actually it is used for interpolation. So it is 4th option. First option is option 2, second option is option 4. Where it is, we can find this combination in first option. So mark option A as correct answer for 8th question. That is option A is correct answer for first 8th question. And coming to 9th one, last but one question. The real root of the equation 5x minus 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0, and we have to mention accuracy up to 2 decimal places, and it is what? The real root is what they are asking, and they have given that you can use any method known to you. There is no specification of method to use. A range is given in output rather than single value to avoid approximation error. So it means we will get some minute errors that is not actually errors but minute differences. So they have given slight range of values without giving single option. So anything within these are correct answers only. So the answer for 9th question actually is option A, 0.53 to 0.56. So mark option A as correct answer for 9th question. That is 9th question answer is option A. And coming to final question, that is 10th question. Consider the same recursive C function that takes 2 arguments. So they have given a small code snippet. So they are asking the return value of function f func when it is called as func of 513, 2. So I am going to zoom this for you. The answer actually for 10th question, the answer for 10th question is option 2. So mark, if you see hint, it is only numeric answer. So answer is 2. So friends, hope the video helpful to you. If you feel the same, subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, keep supporting us. Be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.